A travel agency is a business that specializes in planning, organizing, and facilitating travel arrangements for individuals and groups. This includes booking flights, hotels, car rentals, tours, and creating customized vacation packages. Travel agencies act as intermediaries between travelers and service providers, making the process seamless for clients while offering expert advice on destinations, accommodations, and activities. Ever wondered how you can turn your love for travel into a profitable business? Imagine helping others discover their dream vacations while earning a lucrative income from anywhere in the world. Stick around because I'm about to show you how to start a travel agency business step by step, even if you have no prior experience. How to start a travel agency business, step-by-step guide. 1. Research the market, understand the industry, learn about the different types of travel agencies such as leisure, corporate, niche, or luxury travel. Target audience, decide if you'll focus on a specific market, like family vacations, business travel, or adventure tourism. 2. Choose a niche, specialization, focus on a particular niche, such as ecotourism, cruises, destination weddings, or luxury travel. Niches help differentiate your agency and attract a loyal customer base. 3. Create a business plan. Business goals. Set clear objectives like the number of clients, profit margins, and market expansion. Startup costs. Outline the initial investment, including licenses, marketing, and operational costs. Revenue model. Decide how you will earn, either through commissions from service providers or fees charged to clients. 4. Register your business. Legal structure. Choose between a sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation based on the size and scope of your agency. Licensing. Obtain the necessary travel agency licenses and permits for operating in your region. Insurance. Get travel agency insurance to protect your business from potential risks like cancellations, errors, or unforeseen issues. 5. Develop a strong online presence, website. Create a professional, user-friendly website showcasing your services, travel packages, and booking system. Social media. Use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to promote your travel agency and engage with potential clients. Travel blogs and reviews. Write articles about destinations and travel tips to position yourself as an expert in the industry. 6. Partner with travel suppliers. Supplier agreements. Establish relationships with airlines, hotels, tour operators, and car rental companies to offer a wide range of services to your clients. GDS software. Invest in a global distribution system, GDS, to access and manage bookings for airlines, hotels, and other services. 7. Marketing and networking. Online advertising. Use Google Ads, social media ads, and SEO to drive traffic to your website. Networking events. Attend travel expos, seminars, and networking events to meet other professionals and potential clients. Referral programs. Set up a referral system where satisfied clients can recommend your services to others in exchange for discounts or incentives. 8. Build trust and offer great customer service. Personalized services. Tailor travel packages to each client's needs and preferences. Customer support. Provide excellent customer service by being available and responsive to client inquiries before, during, and after their trip. Feedback and improvement. Ask clients for feedback after their trip to constantly improve your services. Starting a travel agency business may seem challenging, but with the right approach, a focus on providing outstanding services, and a passion for travel, you can build a thriving business. From understanding your target market to developing strong partnerships with suppliers, every step brings you closer to becoming a trusted travel consultant for clients worldwide. If you're ready to embark on this exciting journey and start your own travel agency, don't wait. Begin by researching the market and building your online presence today. If you found this guide helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips on starting your dream business, and be sure to leave a comment below sharing your favorite travel destination. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Prince Sam Official for more practical wisdom on building wealth and starting your own business. And remember, Prince Sam Official loves you all.